Hello everyone, welcome back again to Excellent Solutions, a guide to score 300 plus in Jamb. We are continuing from our questions under number base, and this is question 10. Question 10 says number 25 when converted from the tens and unit base to the binary base 2 is one of the following. So if you look at it, this is 25 and we are asked to convert 25 into base 2. So the first thing we need to do, we put our number 25, we divide it by 2. So 25 divided by 2, we have 12, remainder 1. And this 12 we divide it by 2. 12 divided by 2, we have 6, remainder 1. Okay, 6 remainder 0. So 6 divided by 2, we have 3, remainder 0. 3 divided by 2, we have 1, remainder 1. 1 divided by 2, we have 0, remainder 1. So we look at this number, we take it downward. From down up, we are having 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. And if we look at our option, in option B, we have 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. The answer is B. Question 11 says, write the decimal number 39 to base 2. So this question is a question of 1980. So we have 39 divided by 2. 39 divided by 2, we have 19, remainder 1. 19 divided by 2, we have 9, remainder 1. 9 divided by 2, we have 4, remainder 1. 4 divided by 2, we have 2, remainder 0. 2 divided by 2, we have 1, remainder 0. 1 divided by 2, we have 0, remainder 1. So if we take our numbers is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. If we look at our option C, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, the answer is option C. Question 12 say, in base 10, the number 101101 base 2 equals. So one thing that we need to do, this is we are converting from base 2 to base 10. So this is the same as saying 1 times 2, that's for this one. Then we say plus 0 times 1 plus 1 times, okay, 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. So from here we start giving this power. This one to the power of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we now come here. This is the same as 1 times 2 raised to the power of 5 is 32 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 3 is 8 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 2 is 4 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 1 is 2 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0 is 1. So this one we have 1 times 32, we have 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. So 32 plus 8, we have 40, plus 4, 44, plus 1, we have 45. So this one is equals to 45 base 10. If we look at our options, option A we have 45. The answer is A. Question 13 says, convert 27 to another number in base 3. So this we have 27 divided by 3. 27 divided by 3, we have 9, remainder 0. 9 divided by 3, we have 3, remainder 0. 3 divided by 3, we have 1, remainder 0. And this 1 divided by 3, we have 0, remainder 1. So this gives us, we take it down down up, 1, 0, 0, 0, base 3. So if we look at our option D, we have 1, 0, 0, base 3. The answer is D. Question 14 says convert 112 base 6 to a number in base 3. So since this is conversion from base 6 to base 3, we first need to convert this to base 10. Then we convert the answer in base 10 to base 3. So this we now have 1 times 6 plus 1 times 6 plus 2 times 6. So we give this power 0, 1, 2. So this is the same as 1 times 6 square, we have 36, plus 1 times 6 plus 2 times 6 to the power of 0 is 1. So this gives us 36 plus 6 plus 2. So this is the same as 44 base 10. So as we have this 44 in base 10, we convert 44 in base 10 to base 3. So 44 here, we have divided by 3. 44 divided by 3, we have 14, remainder 2. This 14 divided by 3, we have 4, remainder 2. 4 divided by 3, we have 1, remainder 1. So 1 divided by 3, we have 0, remainder 1. If we take the number 1, 1, 2, 2, the answer is 1, 1, 2, 2 base 3. If we look at our option D, we have 1, 1, 2, 2 base 3. This question is a question of 2012. Question 15 says convert 241 in base 5 to base 8. So this also, we first convert this to base 10, then we convert it from base 10 to base 8. So here we have 2 times 5, since it is in base 5, we said plus 4 times 5 plus 1 times 5. So we give this power 0, 1, 2. So this is the same as 2 times 5 square, we have 25, plus 4 times 5, we have 20, plus 1 times 5 to the power of 0 is 1. So we have 1 times 1. So we have 1. So this gives us 2 times 5 is 50, plus 20, we have 70, plus 1, we have 71. 71 base 10. So if we have this as 71 base 10, we convert it from 71 in base 10 to base 8. So when we divide 71 by 8, we are going to have 8 remainder 7. So this 8 divided by 8, we have 1 remainder 0. Then 1 divided by 8, we have 0 remainder 1. So if we take this number, we are going to have 1, 0, 7 base 8. If we look at our option, in option D, we have 107 base 8. This question was asked in 1987. Question 16 says change 71 base 10 to base 8. So this is the same as our previous question when converting from 71 in base 10 to base 8. So this we have 71 divided by 8. 71 divided by 8, we have 8 remainder 7. 8 divided by 8, we have 1 remainder 0. 1 divided by 8, we have 0 remainder 1. So here we are going to have 1, 0, 7. We take it downward, base 8. If we look at our options, option B, we have 107 base 8. The answer is B. Question 17 says convert 2232 base 4 to base 6. So this one, we first convert this to base 10. We are going to have, this is 2 times, the base is 4, times 4 plus 2 times 4 plus 3 times 4 plus this 2 times 4. So we give this power 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is 2 times 4 raised to the power of 3. 4 raised to the power of 3 is 64. So we have 2 times 64 plus 2 times 4 square is 16 plus 3 times 4 we have 12 plus 2 times 4 to the power of 0 is 1. 2 times 1, this is just 2 times 1. So here we have 2 times 64, we have 128 plus 2 times 16 we have 32 plus this is 12 plus 2. Here we add this 128 plus 32 we have 150 plus that's 160 plus 12 we have 172 plus 2 we have 174. So 174 base 10. So we convert this 174 from base 10 to base 6. We have 174 to base 6. So if we divide 174 divided by 6, we have 29 remainder 0. 29 divided by 6, we have 4 remainder 5. 4 divided by 6, we have 0 remainder 4. So if we take this one, it gives us 450 base 6. If we look at our option C, we have 450, and this is the answer. Question 18 says, if y equals to 23 base 5 plus 101 base 3, find y, giving your answer in base 2. So the first thing is, we find this, we convert this one to base 10, and this one also to base 10, then we add. So if we are now adding, we have, this is 20, y is now equals to 2 times is base 5 plus 3 times 5, we give this power 0, this power 1, then plus, this is 1 times 3 plus 0 times 3 plus 1 times 3, this power 0, 1, and 2. So this means y equals to 2 times 5 raised to the power of 1 is 5, so we have 10, plus 3 times 5 to the power of 0 is 1, 3 times 1 is now 3, plus this is 1 times 3 square is 9, so we have 1 times 9 is 9, plus 0 times 3 is 0, then plus 3 raised to the power of 0 is 1, 1 times 1 we have 1. So if we add this one all, 10 plus 3 13 plus 9 22 plus 1 23, this is now 23 base 10. Then the next we convert this 23 from base 10 to base 2. 23 divided by 2 we have 11 remainder 1. 11 divided by 2 we have 5 remainder 1. 5 divided by 2 we have 2 remainder 1. 2 divided by 2 we have 1 remainder 0. 1 divided by 2 we have 0 remainder 1. So if we look at this, we have 10111 base 2. If we look at our options, in option B, we have 10111 base 2. The answer is B. This question